Another wicker chair. Another wicker.
You want an airplane? You want an airplane? Well, you're gonna have to wait to get the airplane ready.
Really good tread. Just dirty. Like, I don't know if I just feel like picking up one pair of shoes. So. What's that in your hand? That looks cool.
It's a pig. I don't know. We just got it.
I was like, is it a cookie jar? No?
No, just like a decor.
Probably like a yard decor, maybe? Might be what they used it for. Yeah, I'll put it away for you. Where are we going to take it?
I don't know.
The green shelf?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Yeah, we got so much stuff on the green. Here, put him right here.
Make a spot. Somebody will snag it. It looks cool.
You.
It looks cool. I like.
She did it for $5. That's a good deal. Too.
I like unique stuff like that.
We know you will.
Bum, 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 bum. See anything in the toys?
You can't get out, baby. Well, I was looking at the thing. I was like, oh, we'll do that. You know what I got this for,
Yeah.
right?
That's why at the end I just put question marks. He didn't say anything. Follow us on Instagram. That's a really cool picture.
Napkin rings. 50 cents.
Gotcha.
They're like let the Lego Duplos that they look like. That was actually Lego.
That's what I wanted to see. Oh, what's on the wheel? Yeah. I'll sit right up there on top. I don't know this logo.
Yeah, you could. Go ahead and get one. And then you can put your little, yeah, it'll be easy. You want to see you on the right?
Or you put like something inside of it.
$19.94. Porky the Pig. Mm-hmm. So listed for 27. All right, the app is broken. No, I just typed this in twice, and it looked up Duplo again. I was like, Legos? Huh. Should I just look these up for Kevin?
I don't know what style he likes. He just seems to have a thing for him. I don't know what draws him to certain.
And you can contact your local agent for personalized assistance.
That's so easy, you might start thinking everything is easy, even tightrope walking, and it's not.
Well, if you switch to Geico, you can save hundreds on car insurance. And you can keep saving by bundling your motorcycle, boat, and RV, plus your home renter's insurance.
But saving money on cars you didn't have.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. Go with the combo units. Anything that is a VCR recorder, I can redo those listings and put a couple more bucks on it. If you can get them cheap.
Yeah, I mean, it's 2 for 50 cents and 1 for 50 cents. It's $1 for 30.
Mm-hmm.
I was hoping that would be worth some money.
The Jello Jigglers?
Yeah.
It's not?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not. For young, it's not worth nothing, and there's no songs.
Come on. Mark it up. Make it valuable. What are these?
You know, the place you enjoy family and friends,
The Family Creative Workshop.
replacement and maintenance, and a lifetime of service. Call the G-Man at Gilman Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, serving Central Virginia and the Northern North.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. We'll see if they do anything though. 1988.
Photo album.
Unused. I have to edit all the audio out, so see me dancing for no reason. Okay, so now that I'm adjusted to the light, at least quickly cover to you the stuff we found at the couple thrift stores we went to. So Mrs. Flip, Brittany's behind the camera. She saw this nice little Callaway golf jacket for $5. They might do like 25, 30 bucks. It's not bad. The last store we were in, we have sold a Star Wars jigsaw puzzle before. I forgot what we got for it, like 20, 25 bucks.
I think so.
Like that. Probably need to step away from the window or the doorway. Some blank VHS tapes. Those are always good to bundle with
Combo units.
combo units. Stay tuned. These may be featured in an upcoming video. Think happy thoughts. And because we're already finding really incredible stuff, we paid up a little bit on these. But these are the bean boots. These are a really nice pair. Really, really clean, really good tread. So these should do pretty good. I'm going to go grab a few more things.
Okay.
Alright, and then this is a store you didn't even get to see. Another good find by Mrs. Flips. Hooked on Phonics. Still brand new.
Sealed.
My tapes were in there. Nothing opened. Probably because it's sealed, maybe 30, 40 bucks. I think we'll do pretty good on that. I was
Our little
persistent with these.
I got a little wind chime.
These right here, that's like a German company or something. They had these marked for $24.98. I didn't move on them because they were going for about $45. I was like, I didn't want to spend that much to make $20. But I asked every single week. They said, yes, we're going to mark them down to $7 a piece for you. Because they weren't selling. So, we'll go ahead and get these listed. They're brand new. It's a little kitchen knife set. So those should do pretty good. This cool thing. Look at that.
Fun Play School Lion.
You ever seen a Squishmallow before a Squishmallow?
Right. Back
They were
in the
called
day.
Fisher Price Big Things. What did we see? They were kind of all over the place. 30 to 40, 45.
Yeah, I think probably
This one's
$30. That was in good
really
shape.
Clean. Really good logo on there. That
They
should
made
do
like that and an elephant.
super, super good. Ooh, I gotta save that bag. There's so many good surprises. I can't even like get to all of them. Okay, this one's kind of cool. It's the duck clothing. If you've seen the outdoor ducks, I was even reading up a little bit more. These outfits have the potential of like $20 an outfit. So this could be pretty good. If we find more of the ducks, this will take this to like $150, $200 sale. We paid $5 for this set. And I will find the little one. We do have the little duck that comes in this set. We don't have the large one. But another good pickup for $5. There he is. Look at that little guy.
Little goose.
So he'll go with it. He has hats in the bag. But we'd love to find the larger one or just the blow mold ones. Either one will work.
We've sold the blow mold ones before with some outfits.
Alright, the 1980s stuff, the thing we don't know about, or the last find in the last thrift store.
Oh.
What should we pick?
Just eeny, meeny, miny, mo, because I don't even know.
Okay, these were cool. Okay. We were already done in this thrift store.
Yeah, we were walking out of the door.
And Brittany said,
Ooh.
are those Goosebumps books?
Yes.
Yeah, hold on. There are stacks on stacks. There's almost 40 books in here. They wanted 50 cents a book, so we were like, $20. We'll make a little bit of money. It was also half off Kids Day.
Yeah.
So we got these for $10. Really good pickup. But I still think, guys, this is why she married me. I think I found just the things that makes her heart beat. Literally.
Yep. Y'all recognize that. I know you do.
Those are some cool colors. Photo album. Lisa Frank, 1988. But you know what's better than one? That's two. Two of them.
How fun are
sitting
those?
on the shelf. They're photo albums. They're not like the Trapper Keeper or anything. So not like breaking the bank, but they're very rare and they're in very good condition. So super pumped about that. My back and forth purchase today.
Oh, Mama Piggy.
$5 a Mama Piggy needs some cleaning with some baby piggies. I'm gonna put there's a listing price that's not on eBay. I can't find it anywhere. Somebody has this for sale for $1,250. An Italian ceramic pig with 7 piglets is what it is titled. This is all matching and everything. I don't know what to price this at. I took the risk at $5. I'm fine if it makes 50, okay?
Right.
This, if it went for the full amount, this would be the rarest find we've ever found.
Yeah, at a Goodwill.
Yes, stopped in Goodwill. Didn't find much in Goodwill, but found this. So we're going to see. I think between everything we found, though, this was one of our better thrift days.
Yeah, in a
running
while.
out to these thrift stores and finding good stuff.
Yeah,
so.
the thrift stores have been a little dry lately, so it's been nice. It was nice to find stuff there.
Good day. Really good sourcing. Glad to cover with you some things that we could go find at these thrift stores. I think grand total, we spent $100. You were right at $100 between these 3 stores. And I can easily look at the fact that we're going to triple our money. I mean, easy. We do a little bit better at yard sales, estate sales, things such as that. But even at a thrift store, if you can take something for $10 and turn it into, you know, $30, I'd take that any day of the week. There you have it. We're just going to cover with this stuff with you. Thanks again for tuning in. Be sure to give this video a like. Thanks for hanging out on this fun journey with us as we find great stuff to flip on eBay. So go out there and make the world a better place with a sale.
And a smile.
And we'll see you again real soon.